You have to see that miracle. You have to see that change. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Stop. Look at me. Look at me. Let me help you. Can I help you with something? Hello? Can I help you with this? Okay. Have you ever seen someone with a red jacket? How many of you have ever seen somebody with a red jacket? A red top, a jacket, red. How many of you? Wave your hand like this. Look around and see who else has seen someone with a red jacket. Look around, so at least you'll be sure. Can you see that? Okay. Let me tell you what you just did. You know what you did? You used your imaginative power. That's what you just did. You didn't see REDJACKET. No. You saw the image of a red jacket. And probably even the image of that person on whom you saw it. You immediately imagine the jacket and what it looks like. Because I didn't say a red skirt. And I didn't say a red trousers. Right? It was a jacket. So you use your imagination. So even if you close these two eyes, you would have still seen what you were seeing. Am I right? Listen. You can see with these two eyes. Do you have eyes? Okay, touch your eye. Let me see. Okay. Okay, you know it. Those two eyes can only see the things that are already existing. These two eyes in your head, they can only see the things that are already existing. Are you following me? The one you used just now in seeing to the past at a jacket you saw some time ago, whether an hour ago or last year, the eyes you used just now, they are the eyes of your soul. Can you see that? They are the eyes of your soul. So they are in your imagination. The mind, the will, and the emotions are in the soul. Are you following what I'm telling you? If you miss this, it might take you a long time to get it again. Okay. Then your spirit has eyes. Those eyes only see what God shows them. You can't use them when you want to, because they are not for this world. They are for the spirit world. They only see what God shows them, and when God empowers them to see. So you can't use them by yourself. But there are two that you can control. This one, you can open them and see, oh, that's a loudspeaker there. Oh, that you can see that. You can see me with this one. And you can turn your head to see something over there. You control them to see what already exists. But the one you used just now, you can use to see the past, the present, and you can use to see something that does not exist. Are you hearing me? Listen to what I'm telling you. And why I'm telling you this, so important. You can use it to see what you want to see. So when you see something you don't like, I'm talking about those eyes of your soul. All right? When you see something you don't like, you change the image simply by changing your mind. Then you try again to see what you want to see. Then you may be interrupted by something else that you don't like. Stop and change the image again. And then see, make out in that eye, that soul vision, make out what you want to see again. Now when you make it out, hold it. If you like what you are seeing, make what you want to see. Use what you call your imagination. Are you hearing me? Imagine it, focus on it. Once that is what you like, hold it. Are you hearing that? Hold what you want to see. If you like, you can write it, what you are seeing. You say, I see this. Write it down. Then every time you take it, you read what you saw. Then you say, I see whatever it is. Then continue to focus and give it some time every day. Listen, if you do what I just told you, if you do it, it will take you to where God has always wanted you. A creator. Did you ever read the small book, Recreating Your World? There's a little bit of this there. But what I just told you, don't forget it. You need it. If you learn to use this in prayer, nothing can be held back from you. So that's what I was saying to you. That's one of the real benefits of prayer. Prayer helps us to lift ourselves, to use our soul eyes, to create visions. You see, there are visions that God gives you. Those are for the spirit eyes. There are visions that you can create by your soul eyes. Then there are visions that are for things that already exist. Those physical eyes, that's their limitation. So when you pray, use your soul eyes to create them. And when you create them, then you are ready to use your rhema. Hold it until it becomes so real. When it becomes so real, nothing can take it from you because you have created it. If it doesn't exist in the soul realm, you may never find it in the physical realm. Practice it. Don't wait until God gives you a vision. Use your soul to create the vision. Your imaginative power is your creative ability.